This the introduction of our website and the web cap. Another point I want to tell you is about the web cap. Just now I told you for valve injector include for 0445, 110, and 120 series. It divides 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder. Usually, if you want to buy valve cap for 4-cylinder, for the valve cap is available. If for 6-cylinder, for the website is not suggested because if you after you buy and use, it may have some problem. I suggest you buy whole website. Okay. Next, I will introduce the solenoid. For the solenoid, we have many tests also. Here I take 4 samples. I will show you. Yes. For first, I show you the part number is F00VC30318. Yes. For this website is suitable 0445 110 series for small car and for 4-cylinder. For this injector is produced by China factory. Okay. Next part number is F00VC30319. For this solenoid is also suitable 0445 110 series for small car and for 4-cylinders. You can see the difference on the solenoid appearance directly. Yes. For these two solenoids, both suitable 0445 110 series injectors. Okay. Next two solenoid I want to show to everybody is F00R Z02697 solenoid. For this solenoid is suitable 0445 120 series. It's big car and for 6 cylinders. Okay. Next solenoid, the part number is F00RZ02703. For this solenoid is also suitable 0445 120 series for big car and for 6 cylinders. Yes, for the solenoid, the quality is very stable and the quality is very good. Okay. For this solenoid are suitable 0445 120 series injectors. Yes, you can also see the difference